Okay, so today this is going to be a quick unboxing of the UK version of the Honor Magic V2. This is going to be the first folding phone I've had since the Samsung Z Fold 3, which had a crack straight down the middle of it after just about a year using it. So that put me off using them for a couple of years, but technology has improved over the years, so I'm taking another chance with what looks to be a great folding phone. And so we'll get it unboxed and have a look. So when the outer sleeve is removed, you're left with this cardboard packaging, all black, very slick looking, feels premium, magnetically held in place at the front. And then on the very top we have the device. I don't know if there's anything inside this. No, I think that's just bit of packing. And in the middle we have the SIM tray removal tool. Get a nice case, which we'll have another look at later. USB-C to USB-C cable, the warranty card and some other documents. And then that's it for what's inside of here by the look of it. There's no power brick like I think they do provide power bricks for America, Asia, possibly some other countries, but we don't get one in the UK unfortunately. So having a closer look at the case that you get with this, it is very similar to some of the ones in other countries that I've seen. However, it's not carbon fibre. This one, it feels like a leather, but it's more than likely a fake type of leather. On the inside, it's smooth and soft. It has got a hinge part on the side which flexes, and then this should be a magnetic stand so you can have it stood up. Again, like with the other unboxings that I've seen of this, this magnetic clip on the back on them particular carbon fibre cases can actually turn sideways. On this one, there's no turning, it's just as it is. So we'll take a closer look at the phone now. So as it's brand new, there's hardly any screen bend on the any crease down the middle. I've got the lighting all pointed at it, so hopefully you can see it at every angle. So it looks great so far. We'll have to see how it does after a couple of uses. And then around on the other side, very similar texture on the back of the phone to what's on the case that they provide. And let's see how it folds. Very smooth, very nicely flush when it's folded together. It's also very thin. It feels more comfortable than my S23 Ultra. It's very nice on sides. Try the case. So with the case on, it's still very thin, feels really comfortable to hold. The hinge on the side, I don't know if it's got any magnets in it, but it meets up very flush and nice with the original hinge, and when you come to open it, it moves out of the way, so that's perfect. I'll be looking at some other case options for this to see if there's any that also cover the front. But other than that, we'll quickly turn it on and make sure it works. So I'm not going to go through all the setup just now because I need to get my other phone prepared to copy over data and stuff, but the screen looks absolutely fantastic. See if front screen comes on. Very nice fluid switch over between the screens. It's instant. Nice bit of animation when you do it front one. So that's it anyway for unboxing. I just wanted to quickly show you what you get mainly. There's quite a few reviews on the technical parts of the phone that you can check out on YouTube. So until the next video, that's it for now.